Today we're making meal prep waffles. These waffles are high in protein, super delicious. Let me show you guys how really easy they are to make. Here are all of the ingredients you will need for today's easy recipe. Grab a bowl and add in your oat flour. Then we're going to add in tapioca flour. Next, we're going to add in whatever protein powder that you love, along with some ground flax. I'm using coconut sugar, but use any sweetener that you like. We're going to add in cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda and give everything a really good mix. I'm showing off my Reese's spoon. It's a joke, an inside joke, because I absolutely do not think peanut butter and chocolate go together. Who's with me? Now we're going to add in our milk. I'm using almond milk. I made this with my almond cow. If you have an almond cow, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to add in our Apple Cider Vinegar secret ingredient, along with some vanilla extract. And just mix everything until it's well combined. Now we're going to grab our waffle iron, but first, of course, I'm drinking a dry red. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. When the waffle iron is hot, I'm adding just a little bit of coconut oil. Honestly, I didn't need to do this. It's not going to stick, but I did it anyway. I'm using about 1 cup. Use as much or as little of the mixture as you need. Just kind of smooth it out on there. You can see I'm making kind of a mess. It's fine. Close it up. Wait until it rings. It was about 8 minutes. Then we're going to remove the waffle. My goodness, I'm starving just looking at this right now. These were amazingly delicious. Same process, a little bit more coconut oil, more mixture. This recipe is really easy. It's a little time consuming because you have to wait for each waffle to cook, but you don't have to stand there. Do something else. Read a book, drink some wine, talk on the phone, make something else. Make a meal prep, lunch, or dinner. It's really not that difficult, guys. My husband loves to just throw these in the toaster in the morning. They freeze really well. Look at these, super fluffy, easy to make. These are gluten-free. They're also vegan. If you enjoyed today's super easy meal prep recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends, family, coworkers, anyone that you know that is looking to make healthy recipes a part of their 2024. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.